Imagine a place in the center of the planet, in the center of Quito, where no matter who you are our visiting friend. We will take you to a timeless place, with plenty of stories on every corner, full of art, culture, music, and movement. You'll have new experiences. You'll meet new people. You will make new friends. You will be amazed with new flavors, consistencies, and textures. New places are revealed with every step you make, and you will look at them from unique perspectives. We will take you to majestic places, like one of the biggest volcanoes in the world. You will get the chance to feel freedom, peace. We will visit sacred places and learn their millenary traditions, magical lagoons inside volcanoes, waterfalls, and rivers. Prepare to experience the jungle in all its greatness, from the ground to the sky. You are going to fall in love with nature. You will share with her, be part of her, and you'll get to enjoy those magical moments. Places where you can get lost between people, colors, and design. Or you can find yourself in the wind and silence. Friends, Quito.